Easy ways to reduce sugar intake from drinks. Swap soda for water or sparkling water instead of sugary sodas. Opt for water or sparkling water with a splash of lemon or lime for flavor. Adding a few fresh mint leaves or cucumber slices can also make your drink more refreshing. This switch will help reduce your sugar intake without compromising on taste. You can gradually reduce your soda consumption to make the transition easier. Drinking water regularly helps keep you hydrated and supports weight loss. Choose unsweetened beverages. Many beverages, such as tea and coffee, are available in unsweetened versions. Skip the sugary syrups and opt for black coffee or herbal tea instead. You can sweeten these drinks with natural alternatives like stevia or a small amount of honey if needed. Unsweetened drinks often have fewer calories and can be just as satisfying. These drinks can help curb sugar cravings and improve overall health. Limit fruit juices. Even though fruit juices can seem healthy, they often contain high amounts of sugar and lack fiber. Opt for whole fruits instead to enjoy the fiber and nutrients without the sugar spike. If you prefer juice, consider diluting it with water to reduce the sugar content. Try smoothies made with fresh fruits and vegetables for a more nutritious alternative. Reducing fruit juice consumption helps keep blood sugar levels stable. Avoid sugary energy drinks. Energy drinks are loaded with sugar and caffeine, which can lead to energy crashes later on. Instead of reaching for an energy drink, try a natural energy booster like green tea or a homemade smoothie with protein. These alternatives can provide sustained energy without the sugar rush. Staying hydrated with water throughout the day can also help prevent fatigue. Reducing energy drink consumption can significantly lower your sugar intake. Switch to herbal teas. Herbal teas are a fantastic way to enjoy a warm, comforting beverage without the sugar. There's a wide variety of flavors available, from chamomile to peppermint, all of which are naturally free of sugar. Drinking herbal tea can also provide additional health benefits, such as aiding digestion or helping you relax before bed. Experiment with different flavors to find your favorite. Herbal teas are a great alternative to sugary drinks and help with hydration.